No, it tastes like Coke with a curry in it, is what it tastes like. Oh my god. Can you say Mumbai?
Mumbai!
Yeah!
Mumbai!
If you come to Mumbai, this is the best valued room I think we've ever stayed in. It's absolutely stunning. 4-poster bed, the lot. Anyway.
Nice, what's the new word you learned?
Play the other one.
I'm Elise, this is Lawrence, and this is our baby Nye.
We're travelling the world.
But we're going to be doing things a bit differently. We're going to be travelling a month.
And coming back to the UK and working a month. We're going to be travelling month on, month off.
Until this little one goes to school in a couple of years.
We want to see if it's actually possible to travel the world
With a toddler in tow.
So subscribe and come along for the journey. Namaskar. Sat Shri Akal. Okay, he's got the yum. Sat Shri Akal ji. Ki hal hai? Trying to learn a bit of Punjabi. I'm failing.
We're in Amritsar.
I'm going to try some of this food because everyone keeps saying you need to try the Kulcha. Is it Kulcha or Kulchi? Kulcha.
Oh, it's dry. Yay, it's dry today.
That's right. Good morning.
Got my kajal on today. Had it on yesterday and it did not budge all day, including a humid walk in the park, including a nap and including a flight. It was still there at the end of the day. I'm well impressed with it. That was the stuff we bought in the shopping centre. If you didn't see that video, it is like an eyeliner that a lot of Indian women wear basically, and it's supposed to be like smudge proof. Say good morning. Say good morning. No. Can I have a kiss? No. It's not in a good mood today.
So go to the Golden Temple area. Is that nicer than here?
Yes.
Okay. The hygiene's better?
Yep.
Okay, so he basically said the hygiene closer to the Golden Temple is better than Amritsar itself, and for a family, it's safer. So
we've come to this restaurant because our taxi driver actually recommended it. It's being very clean. We walked in and they were cleaning the floor, so sold. So we've got, what's it called?
Kulcha.
We've got kulcha coming. He recommended to have
Stuffed kulcha.
a paneer tikka butter masala with it. We've also got some cheating bits. We've got honey chili potatoes, which are really nice, we've had here, and some spring rolls. I'm going to try an Assam tea, and very excitingly, Lawrence is going to try a masala Coke, which is a Coke with masala spices in it, which is going to go one way or the other, but let's see.
Masala Coke. You can see the spices around the top. Let me open it and see what's inside. Sorry, I've got baby on my lap. Oh my god. Look at that. Okay.
More gamey?
More gamey, okay. Let's have a go. I'm a bit nervous. Oh. What's the... Oh. Tell you what it tastes like. A mojito with Coke in it. That's what it tastes like.
Oh, that sounds nice.
Like with a hint of spice. So I've got a... Now I can feel the spice going down the back and front. It's just like a warm... So if you have a mojito, put half a pint of Coke in it. That's what that tastes like. How weird. What a weird taste. Oh, you got to try some. Tell me if I'm accurate or not.
Ready?
You alright?
No, it tastes like Coke with a curry in it, is what it tastes like. Yeah, I can taste a slight bit of mint. I show you the inside up close. This is a kulcha, which is a stuffed bread, and I think it's got potatoes in it.
This is famous in this part of India.
Okay, I'm going to try and rip it with one hand.
Good job. This is painful to watch.
It's very hot.
Ooh. Oh, that looks lovely. Look at that.
That is really good.
Okay, let me try. One of those fingers. Oh my god.
That is really good.
Oh. Unreal. That's a strong bread, that one.
That's a 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
I love a potato.
That's delicious.
You've got to try it dipped in a sauce.
Yeah.
So this is a butter chicken tikka.
Paneer,
Paneer.
butter, tikka masala. Is it tikka masala? Paneer, tikka, butter masala.
I'm just going to put this down to break it again. Okay.
Sorry about that. You want some bread? You want to try some bread? Okay.
Yeah.
Some bread.
Oh my god. Oh, I can't wait for you to try it out. Dana, do you want to try some bread?
He's got some there.
Oh.
But his sauce is a bit different. Is that nice? Is that nice?
Like it?
What's the verdict? Taste test. Is it good? Okay. Put the thumbs up from Nye as well.
There you
Okay,
go.
I need some dippage. This, I don't know if I can drink anymore.
That's not for me, I'll be honest.
Oh, yeah.
You want some more?
Howdy,
Okay, I'll give you some more bread. It's a bit hot.
Okay. Let's do some
Nana's had
dippage.
some more bread.
Okay. Oh. Oh my god. That. That's one of the best things I've tasted in India.
That's really good.
Oh my. That's nice, yeah. Wow. That's the best thing I've tasted in India, I think. That and that.
Yeah.
Wow. Incredible. Thank you, Amritsar. That was a nice welcoming gift.
Right, so now I'm going to try this Assam tea, which I have had before, but I wonder whether it's nicer here. So I like it black. Others don't like milk. This is it. Nice, very refreshing.
That's just chips doused in this sauce with honey, sesame seeds, and chilli. They are so Moorish, it's unbelievable. Might have been Jaipur and Delhi, haven't we?
Yeah.
Big fan.
So this place, 10 out of 10. We like it a lot. So in this curry that we've got, there's also paneer, which is like a soft Indian cheese. I don't normally eat cheese, but it is nice. Very soft, very creamy.
I've got a regular Coke because I just couldn't hate that masala Coke. It was nice to try, but it was horrible.
So I need to tell you about this tea. I mean, I know we're not in the Assam region, but this is cheating, surely. It's Thai food. Where can we get a proper cup of Assam, like tea leaves and all? Where can we get that here? Please help.
You want some seeds? Okay. Oh, it's that like sweet. What's it? It's a traditional sweets smell. What is it? Aniseed?
Oh, aniseed. Oh, like licorice.
Yeah.
Aniseed. Oh, they're nice. Sorry, but I love those. Nice. What's the new word you learnt? Say bye, Dhanyavad. That was what he just said to our taxi driver, who's dropped us off to Amritsar Airport. We're now going to take a flight to Mumbai. Now, any Indian followers or anybody that knows about India, it used to be called Bombay, didn't it? And I love.
In 1995.
Of course, he knows that. And I love Bombay potatoes. So we would also like to say a big thank you.
Sakuya, Dhanyavad, it's been an amazing experience. Jesus Christ, we've seen so much. The people are so chilled, so calm. They've got this aura about them that just makes you relaxed. And we needed that after some chaos in Delhi. I mean, don't get me wrong, it was still very busy, but the people have this really weird, calming energy. and I appreciated it. Very hospitable, couldn't do enough for us. We had a great time, we'd recommend it to anyone.
Via Malenge.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
He's cheering because the bags went through the security check. He's so cute. So you're so cute.
So good.
Yes.
Yes.
Can you say Mumbai?
Mumbai.
Yeah.
Mumbai. Mumbai. Mumbai.
Yeah.
Mumbai. Mumbai. Mumbai.
Yeah. So we're at the gate. There's literally 2 gates here. 1, 2. There's a few little food stalls. Obviously there's Costas here because where in the world is there not Costas? Me and Lawrence are unashamedly a big fan of noodles like this. So Maggi noodles, masala flavour, and a samosa.
I'm petrified of flying, so I get legless before I board the flight. Cheers.
So it turns out there isn't just 2 places to eat, we were on the wrong floor. So we're going to go up to the next floor. It's where we actually should be, where there's a big food court as well, apparently. No, come here. Does your child also love to touch every dirty surface in the airport? Because Nyh has gone like this over everything.
Hi, George. Come in.
Nyh, come here. Can you say? In case you're wondering what a flight is like internally in India, it's actually really good. Comfy, got an alright amount of leg room, tray table. You're only on here for a couple of hours.
मुंबई की टर्मिनल 2 पर पहुंच गए हैं। अगर आपकी अगली फ्लाइट दूसरे टर्मिनल से है तो कृपया अराइवल हॉल में दिए गए साइन बोर्ड का इस्तेमाल करें। अधिक सहायता के लिए हमारे ग्राउंड फ्लोर से संपर्क करें।
I could, so far. Good afternoon.
Namaskar. We haven't showed you the room, but there's a story behind this. We had an absolute nightmare. Namaskar, what's up?
Save that for another.
You like matching?
Yes.
Okay. Chalo. Firmalenge.
Room can breakfast.
Yes.
Thank you.
Dhanyavad. Yeah, so basically, look how beautiful this hotel is. We had an absolute nightmare yesterday. Okay, we flew to Mumbai and we picked a hotel. It looked nice on the photos, like they all do, and it was a hellhole. Like 5-floor lift, this wide, smashed glass. The room was an absolute state, and I was just like, it was 8 o'clock at night, and I was just like, no, what have we done? So, 1 phone, no battery, 1 phone, no data. We had to get a new hotel, basically. And then we ended up in the Taj Palace, which is one of the best, well, I think it is the best hotel in Mumbai. It's about £200, $250 a night. Whoopa, whoopa. We can't pay that because we're travellers. Whoa, is that a cat? So, we couldn't even use their Wi-Fi. You had to have a room number and all the rest of it. Anyway, we found this place, Residency Hotel. The guys here are the most hospitable people we've met, or staff at a restaurant, at a hotel that I think we've ever stayed in. We need nappies. They went and got nappies for us on a Sunday. They helped us out with the rooms. They were honest with us about certain rooms in here being close to the thing, to the metro. So we got a room. Now you have to come either call here or come here in person. There's a room offline. It's a separate building. So this is the main building, and then this building around here is where we're staying. It is stunning. We'll show you the room before. Maybe we'll show them the room, or we have a separate video.
Show the room and we'll do a separate video.
We'll do a separate video on the room. If you come to Mumbai, this is the best valued room I think we've ever stayed in. It's absolutely stunning. 4-poster bed, the lot. Anyway, we'll tell you about that in our other video. Today, what we're going to do. Namaskar, bhai. Whenever you're in India and you say, what size are those? They say, it's your size, brother, it's your size.
I can't even tell you how many times a day people tell us that our daughter is beautiful.
Where did you learn Hindi from?
I tried to practice.
But you speak a very good Hindi.
Very good.
Let me tell you, this is a compliment for you.
Ah, dhanyavad, bhai.
The absolute
Ready?
balls you have to have to cross a road here. It's absolutely bloody mental.